In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gradient color in Canva. Start by opening your project and selecting the element you want to style. This could be text, a shape, a background, or any object that supports color changes. With the element selected, look to the toolbar at the top and click the color option. It usually appears as a small color tile or a color picker icon, and it opens a panel on the side or a pop-up directly from the toolbar. Inside that color panel, find the section labeled Document Colors. Just beneath it, click the plus sign to add a new color option. This opens a color editor with two tabs. One tab is for solid color, and the other is for gradient. Switch to the Gradient tab to start building your blend. From here, choose the colors that will make up your gradient. You can pick from your brand colors, recently used colors, or the full color spectrum. Consider pairing a bold color with a softer tone for a smooth transition, or choose two shades from the same family for a subtle look. As you select your colors, watch how the preview updates so you can see the blend in real time on your selected element. Next, choose a gradient style. The styles change how the colors behave across your element, whether they move in a straight line, radiate from a center point, or flow in a circular or angled pattern. Try a few styles to see which one best fits your design. A linear feel often works well for buttons and banners, while a radial feel can create a spotlight effect on circular shapes or logos. Remember, the goal is to guide the eye without overwhelming it. If you're styling text, make sure the gradient keeps your words readable against the background. High contrast between the gradient and whatever sits behind it helps a lot. If you're styling a shape or background, think about your layout and where you want attention to land. Gradients can create depth and direction, so use them to lead viewers toward key content. Once you like the color combination and style, that's it. The gradient is applied to your element. You can revisit the same color option at any time to tweak the colors or switch styles until everything feels cohesive with the rest of your design. And that's the whole process. Select your element, open the color panel, hit the plus sign under Document Colors, switch to Gradient, pick your colors, choose a style, and enjoy your refreshed design.